This is how you make nice food for dogs. Just like this, you cook up, get some old chicken that's a few days old. You cook it up with chicken tonight. You get the rice. You put the rice on the plate.
This is also how we make the fox food. Kylie's gonna love this. The dogs are gonna love this. That was Kylie's. What?
I think we need bigger plates, but whatever.
Grab the doggy food.
And then you grab the chicken tonight.
This is real dog food.
That can be end of part 1, so please stop.